Hello everyone, this is part 2 of tenses wherein we are going to explain the common errors that we are making while speaking English and focus is on tenses. So if you haven't watched the first part of tenses, the link is in the description box. So let's start today's session. My name is Sukanya, so welcome to 9mclasses. So the first sentence is, she don't like mangoes, right? So what is the problem here? Let's understand that first. So don't. With she, he and it, we use does. And since it is in the negative form, we will add not. So it will become doesn't, right? So the sentence would be, the correct sentence would be, she doesn't like mangoes. Okay, if you are confused with the uses of do and does, don't forget to watch the video of auxiliary verbs wherein I have explained these things. So let's continue. So now let's move on to the second sentence. I am going to home now. What is the problem here? There is no major problem as in, but a slight one, because when we are saying I am going to home, right? What is the focus? Home. So when we are directing ourselves to home, we don't need to there. So the correct sentence would be, I am going home now. So I hope this is clear. Let's move on to the third sentence, that is, he didn't went to school yesterday. Okay, so we know that it is already a past sentence because it is yesterday. So didn't is also past, went is also past. Okay, so in one sentence we don't need two words which indicate past tense. Okay, see here it is didn't and went, right? So if it is already didn't, then we will use the first or the base form of the verb. Okay, so went is the second form of the verb go, right? So we will re-say the sentence using the verb go. So the correct sentence would be, he didn't go to school yesterday. Okay, now let's move on to the fourth sentence, that is, I didn't knew the answer. It's very similar to the last sentence which we have discussed, right? See, I didn't knew the answer. So what is the problem here? Again, two words which indicates past tense, right? So we have to change knew to know, right? So the correct sentence would be, I didn't know the answer. I didn't know the answer. Okay, this is a very common mistake that everyone has heard or said at least once. So now let's move on to the next sentence, that is, they plays cricket every Sunday. Okay, so first let's understand what is the tense. Okay, they plays cricket every Sunday. Plays cricket every Sunday means it's a simple present tense. Okay, it is said that in simple present tense we have to use the S or ES form of the verbs, right? So here the verb is play and it is plays. So what is the mistake? Mistake is actually here, because the subject here is plural. When the subject is they or we use the, or we take the verb as the base form of the verb itself. Okay, so here the verb place makes the sentence incorrect, right? So the correct sentence would be, they, I'll write this. So the correct sentence would be, they play cricket every Sunday. Okay, now let's move on to the next sentence, that is, she has ate her lunch already. Okay, so in the auxiliary verbs, okay, like has and have, okay, we will use the past participle form of the verb. Okay, so what is the problem here? The verb is eat, right? And ate is the second form of the verb, means that the past form of the verb. And here the auxiliary verb or the helping verb is has, right? So we have to change the verb from the second form to the participle form of the verb, and that would be eaten, right? So this correct sentence would be she has eaten her lunch already. So let's move on to the next sentence, that is when I reached they are having dinner. So what is the problem with the sentence? Okay, so when I reached, they are having dinner. With they, okay, the auxiliary verbs, okay, we can accept that are is again the be form of the verb. Okay, be form of the verbs are is, are, am, was and were, right? So when I reached means it's a sentence in past tense. So already these three things would be eliminated, and the subject here is they, means plural, right? So from this auxiliary verbs we will be taking were, right? Because in the plural senses we always use were. So the correct sentence would be when I reached they were having dinner. Okay, now let's move on to the eighth sentence. So the next three sentences would be revision sentences for you. Let's start. Okay, so he do not know the answer. As we have discussed with he, she and it, what will we use? Yes, does. So the correct sentence would be he does not know the answer. Done. So let's see the next sentence. He didn't saw him at the party. Okay, again, didn't saw. What will be the correct sentence? We didn't see him at the party. Right? The base form of the verb. Clear? So the last sentence of the video, I have saw that movie. I have saw that movie. What is the problem? Have. With has and have, the verb would be past participle form of the verb, right? So we have to change the verb saw to seen. I have seen that movie. So that's the end of this video, and if you haven't subscribed our channel, do subscribe it, like and share this video with your friends who needs to learn this.